Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to bend object in Blender. Before we start, I recommend you to subscribe my channel to stay up to date with my content. Okay, so what we need to do now? First, we need to check if we are in object mode. After that, I click scale and I increase dimensions of this object. Maybe something like that. Then I change position of green line and maybe I will resize this line too. Okay, perfect. Now we need to go to Object, go to Apply and select here all transforms. Then we need to change mode to Edit mode and I click right mouse button on the object. I go to Subdivide and I open Settings here. Now we can increase number of cuts. I recommend you to type here 8, 9 or 10. For example, I type here 9 and I press Enter. Then we need to go to the settings on the right side. We need to go to Modifiers, Modifier Properties. Now I click on Add Modifier button and we need to go to Deform because here you will find a lot of really helpful settings. One of them is Simple Deform. We need to set this option, and now is a very important thing. We need to change settings to bend, and like you see, our bend is ready now. Of course, you can change the angle if you want. We can increase angle or we can decrease angle. Everything depends of the preferences. When you finish, I recommend you to change mode to object mode. And then we need to click here on this arrow and select here option apply. Now I click right mouse button on the object and I select here shade auto smooth. And our object is ready now. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial. It's everything for today. Thanks you for watching.